Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to ask a question on Quora. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Quora application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Quora login ID and password. At the homepage of Quora, you can see the plus icon on bottom of right side, that is add question button. Tap on it. Here you type in the question you want to ask in your Quora. Go for it. After you are done, you tap in the add option on top right corner. Here, Quora will check your question and suggest you for few suggestions as well. You can go with that suggestions or you can go with your one. I am going to go with my one original question, so I'm tapping on ask original question. To let you know, in Quora you cannot ask already existed question. Make sure your question has not asked in Quora before and it's a unique one. Here my question has been verified by Quora. Now you tap on done on top right corner. As my question has been successfully asked to the Quora. Now to check it, you can go to your profile. Here you tap in question. As you can see, my question I just asked to the Quora earlier. This is how you can ask a question on Quora. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to ask a question on Quora. Thank you.